Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 man. I just want to give everybody a quick tip, man. If you're working on an electric motor on a golf cart, if you got to know you got your A1 and your A2 and your F1 or S1, S2, F1, F2. If you flip the A1 and A2 wires around, you won't hurt nothing at all, man. I just want to let you know that because you panic. If you flip these two around, say you put S1 where S2 goes and S2 where S1 goes, then all you'll do is run forward and reverse, and you'll run reverse and forward. No big deal. And the same thing with this one here. If you put the A1 and A2 backwards, it's going to just change direction. So let everybody know, man, as long as you don't flip this and this, you're good. If you flip this and you flip this, meaning if you put the field winding wire where the brushes are and hit the gas, you fried the controller because you're putting out straight battery voltage to this wire that normally carries about 14 to 15 volts. So as long as you flip them A1 to A2 or S1 to S2, no big deal, man. They ain't gonna hurt nothing. If you flip the A's and the S's or the F, so if you flip the field wind, I'm gonna say it one more time, clarify. If you flip this and this, hit the gas, done. Like Mike Tyson used to do back in the day, 32 seconds, knock it out. This is gonna be faster than Mike Tyson here. This is gonna be within a millionth of a second, faster than you can hit the gas. But all right, man, stay tuned, man. Always remember, watch another one of my videos. If you have a problem with your golf cart and you can't figure it out, man, all you have to do is dial 843-595-1611. For a $45 charge, you will get your golf cart fixed, man. The motto of this channel is we replace one part only. Always remember, hey, hey, hey.